Yes, dosto. So welcome to this Aaj Datta show, and today's topic is all about like how do you build the world-class brand and what is the role of branding. So we have a special guest today, the Mosmi Devi. She is the I mean to say the designing and the funnel diva. She has been helping so many brands, the world-class brand India. Also, she has own amazing world-class graphic agency, funnel building agency. She is helping a lot of people. She's one of my good friend and she's doing the branding for us and so many world class and amazing experts in the India. So I want to welcome one and only the Mosmi Devi. She is also award winner, like I don't know exactly, but she's the award winner in woman entrepreneur in India. And dosto, I will be taking her brain on the building world class branding. What is the like आप कैसे क्या रोल है ब्रांडिंग का in terms of your marketing, conversion, funnel building. And I want to welcome Mosmi ji. Welcome to the show. मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूँ. Great
Thank you
to
so
have you
much.
here. Great to have you here. All of you, just say hi to the Mosmi ji, and we'll be starting forward. Yes. So Mosmi ji, before we start, like I want to, दोस्तों, we will be having a lot of interactive session. हम लोग interactive करने वाले हैं. I will be asking some questions, and we will be taking the world's one of the greatest, the expert in the India at least, so that she can share her expertise on that part. So Mosmi ji, in terms of like this branding and like funnel diva, we would like to see your journey. आपका backward journey कैसे रहा था? Why you are doing, what you are doing, and uska purpose kya hai. You can within 2 minutes you can share your journey, who you are, what you do, why you are doing. We'd like to know that journey before we jump into the actual show. Thank you very much. Yeah, and your turn.
Sure. I would love to share with you. So basically, like as you all know me as a funnel Devi. So I'm belong to Assam. My hometown is in Assam. Uh, I had done my post graduation in multimedia from National Multimedia Resource Center in Pune. And then I was in Mac India, Mumbai. So I had done my 3D VFX and all this stuff.
Can you just a little bit increase your voice?
Is it okay now?
All of you, is it okay? Can you hear all of you clearly?
Is it okay?
Little bit low. Can you just increase little bit if possible? थोड़ा increase कर सकती हो तो करो.
Right. कर दिया मैंने. अब देखिए ठीक है.
Yes, go.
Right.
Yep.
Okay, great. So now जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि मुंबई में मैंने कोर्स वगैरह किया, उसके बाद फिर I started my own agency which is called Graphitune. Graphitune is a basically digital creative design agency based in Noida, and we are working since last 15 years now. And we have thousands of clients globally, including like Atlas Cycle, Lecantus Interior, Voltec, Tata, HP, Scandisk, Indian Oil, and so on and on. तो इस तरह से हमारे सारे क्लाइंटल है और अभी हम लोग लास्ट 15 ईयर से सबको सर्व कर रहे हैं. और डिजिटली इफ यू like say like people like you, digital entrepreneurs, most of the top notch entrepreneurs like you, Purushottam, and all these people on the top niche. So we are helping them to grow their businesses online. So that's how like we are doing, and we are doing for them like funnels, their designing, branding, basically the branding part. So branding and funnel part. So it's a like 360-degree solution for online entrepreneurs or maybe offline entrepreneurs. So all kind of people I'm helping with.
Great. So Mosmi, if I ask you one question, and I know that one हमारे जो audience है, they would also like to know. This is also on Facebook Live. So before I move forward, all of my viewers and all friends here, I want to please, I will be taking some amazing input from Mosmi ji. So please grab your pen, paper, diary. So in case you are watching on YouTube or somewhere, you can share your at end of the show, you can share your learnings. Also, I will be taking some questions. So please grab your pen, paper, diary, make a lot of notes. One idea can change your business in the 2021. So Mosmi ji, if I ask you one liner question, what is that spark in this challenging time? What is that one purpose, whatever you are doing, the purpose you are doing in this entrepreneurship journey as a branding or designing expert?
Right, right. See, I was somebody who was like from very my childhood. I was thinking of being my own boss. Like I don't want to be under somebody. I was like from the very childhood. I wanted to be my own boss, and that is the purpose. Like I'm working for myself, and at the same time, like after passing few years of working with for corporates and all, I feel like more people more in like personal branding. People more need more and more help on personal branding, right?
Yeah.
So I am into personal branding. Like I'm helping people to grow personal brand, their personal brand, because and like digital. I mean, the corporate space and all. People are having a proper team. People know how to do, what to do, everything, right? So still they need help like people from us, right? But in personal branding, people need more help, more इनको सभी को चाहिए personal branding में help. So I'm liking it. Like once I get into digital platform, then I feel like so many people needs it. Actually, people are doing wrong marketing, wrong strategies. They're applying wrong strategies. So देखने से ही लगता है कि क्या कर रहे हैं. People are what they are doing, like right. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब people get another level, just getting my help, reaching the next level of their journey. So being a part of their success journey, I feel really proud and I feel really happy for them and for me as well that I am helping others.
Okay. So
So
that's your
yeah.
so that's your purpose, the helping brands to take their journey to the next level with your like contribution in terms of your like world-class branding or designing strategies. That is your passion. I hope ki that is the like really important part you are doing. We really appreciate that one. Now like we are going to switch some gears. So like before we move forward, I want to ask one question here, as this is a show.
Yeah.
See, in terms of no matter हमारे जो viewers है, I believe they might be in any kind of business. They might be in training, coaching. They might be in manufacturing business. Guys, like which business you are in? You can type in comment box. Are you in the manufacturing, in the coaching business, consulting business, or services business, photography business? What kind of business you are in? You can type in comment box. Real estate and export, manufacturing, services, retailing, Anju retailing, services, amazing. Okay, so we have the mix of the all people here, and I know that there will be most of thousands of people will be watching on the YouTube and as well as Facebook. But my question to you, how people can start? Or before that one, like let me tell you here, before moving forward, I want to ask question. No matter what people are doing in their business, how people can start branding with the minimum budget in spite of their industry, or how they can leverage the branding part to take their business to next level. Okay, so you can, first of all, you can share some spread light. Is it really branding needed? Because I see I am teaching traffic and funnel and other things, guys, but I recommend ki boss, the branding is the second part. But I believe there are two kinds of branding. One is result driven branding. One is like location branding. So you can take the control here and let us know the different type of branding and which we should focus on, what kind of branding to grow our business, or how हमारे जो viewers है or entrepreneurs in India वो कैसे उसको leverage कर सकते हैं to take their business to the next level in terms of the presence, brand magnification, and share your thoughts there. So yeah, please, we would like to know that one. Go.
Right. right. See, branding is something like it should be start from very beginning. It should be people usually people think like, okay, I reach 1 year club, then I will start my branding, right?
Mhm.
I will reach 2 year club, then I will start branding, right? But the thing is
Mhm.
that branding is required from very beginning, from very beginning. Branding is not all about a single logo or like posting something or doing your website or either not a funnel, right? Branding is something is very required. Branding is the consistency you need to follow, right? So this is the very important part. People, like people in like wrong way, people are doing like today they are posting something on red in color and tomorrow they are posting something on yellow in color. There is no consistency, nothing, right? You are also into like coaching business and you see people are getting so much of benefited from your coach and coaches courses and all, right? But
Yep.
you can see one difference, like if somebody is you are thoroughly like teaching them the process of Facebook campaign and all, right? But
Yep.
one thing we need to understand, like people are scrolling, they are spending like hours and hours after hours on scrolling the like social media, right? But one thing is there, like if you do your creative properly, if you do your branding properly, then if somebody must see the creative one. There should be something like who can catch their eye for few seconds, at least for 3 seconds. If you can grab their eyes, then done, boom, you can get the success on that campaign, right? So
Yeah.
for that you need a good creative. So that is also a part of branding, right? So these all the things like people should understand about branding and they should follow this kind of things.
Okay, so if I can recap what we understood or what I
Hmm.
understood or what I am doing or हमारे viewers है उनको क्या समझाए. So branding is not only about color or branding is not about only the like the logo or color or
Logo.
particular website or like that one. The branding is
Hmm.
the whole the brand presentation, right? The branding
Presentation.
is the
How you are
presentation,
presenting yourself.
yeah, the presentation of your vision, mission, and then even the product, like you see the Apple or like even the Apples, the big brands, like they have all those things there. And I believe that one because I was there, I was making those mistakes. Like on the website there is a orange color, on the logo it's like a blue color, on the another part there is a red color. And I believe it's a little bit misleading or it's not a consistent. I realize the point here, in order to like I understood key consistency in the brand communication band representation is important. Am I right? Yeah.
Right.
So
Absolutely.
definitely.
Absolutely.
So like before I move forward quickly, we'll be switching some gears because I'm the marketing guy and I look forward result driven activities, right? So I don't recommend ki boss and personally I never believe in ki just doing random branding. There has to be strategy. So in terms of Mosmi ji, you are working with all amazing experts, you are doing amazing things there. If I ask you a question, how much branding is important to build like in the impactful marketing, branding and the marketing connection? So like on the especially online marketing kitna impact hai, and you can give some tips also. First of all, how much important it is and what people can do, some tip like some steps you can give them.
Right. See, branding is basically the thing is you need to connect with your audience, right? How you are connecting with your audience is the most important part. In the marketing, it is like branding helps marketing. How you are connecting with people with your branding, that is the most important part, right? So
Yeah.
let me tell you one of my favorite case study. Okay, see, connection is the main thing. Like you and your people, like everybody is their own niche, and there are so many people, other people on the same niche, right?
Yeah.
There, you can see like there are so many people who is teaching just like you, just like your niche. They are working, right? But they are not getting that much of success what you are getting today, right?
Yep.
So the main thing is how you are connecting with your clients, how you are connecting with your prospect. That is the main thing. So that makes you different than others. Like if you say that personal branding, personal branding, like personal branding is not something as I told you, like about the other things like logo and all these things. But still, this is like something. It is how you connect with your audience is the
Yeah.
main purpose, right? For branding. So if you can say that, I would say that 20% of your presence, to 20% of your expertise or skills work when it comes to personal branding.
Yeah.
The rest 80% is how you are connecting with your audience, right? So
Yeah.
connecting it maybe with your color combination, with your logo, with your videos, with your posts. It can could be any format, but
Absolutely.
how you are connecting with your audience is the most important part, right? तो मैं मार्केटिंग और ब्रांडिंग की जब बात आती है तो मैं एक बहुत छोटा सा आपको केस स्टडी बताना चाहूंगी
Yeah.
विच
Sure.
इज लाइक डेयरी मिल्क केस स्टडी डेयरी मिल्क राइट जब डेयरी मिल्क आया इंडिया में देन दे थॉट कि इट इज लाइक ह्यूज मार्केट वी आर गोइंग टू कैप्चर इट वेरी वेल राइट बट
Yeah.
जब आया तब क्या हुआ व्हेन दे स्टार्टेड डूइंग बिजनेस देन दे रियलाइज दैट the consumer of dairy milk, the product, and the buyers of that product, particular product, are different, right?
Yeah.
चॉकलेट कौन खाता था? बच्चे खाते थे. और बाय कौन करके देता था? पेरेंट्स बाय करके देते थे उनको, राइट?
Absolutely.
एंड हमारे यहाँ पे है कि कहावत है कि नहीं चॉकलेट नहीं खाना दांत चढ़ जाएगा एंड ऑल, राइट?
Yeah.
तो क्या है कि बायर जो है वो खुद ही अपोज कर जाते हैं. दे आर नॉट दे आर लाइक स्टॉपिंग कंज्यूमर्स टू कंज्यूम दैट प्रोडक्ट, पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट,
Yeah.
राइट? तो बहुत यहाँ पे गड़बड़ हो गई. कैडबरी को बहुत ज्यादा चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़े बिकॉज ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम, राइट?
Yeah.
क्योंकि ऑडियंस और बायर्स, कंज्यूमर एंड बायर्स आर डिफरेंट. यहाँ पे
Yep.
छोटा सा बायर कंज्यूमर का प्रॉब्लम को आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि कौन आपका कंज्यूमर है एक्चुअल में और कौन आपका बायर्स है. तो उनको समझ के आपको अपनी ब्रांडिंग करनी है, आपको मार्केटिंग करनी है, राइट? तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ, इफ यू रिमेम्बर इन 90s दे आर कम अप विथ न्यू एड which is like a beautiful lady, very young charming lady is like running out of the stadium and like it is having the chocolate and she is saying that oh kya swad hai zindagi mein, right?
Yep.
So that ad doing the like they blast just like anything. क्यों? क्योंकि उसने वो जो कंज्यूमर है और जो बायर है उनको अभी उन्होंने एक कर दिया था, राइट?
Okay.
So they will get the benefit of the consumers and the buyers. Like buyers भी जो थे वो बड़े लोग जब कंज्यूम करने लगे चॉकलेट को, then they become the buyers, right? They
Absolutely.
buyers and consumer would be same now. It is both of they are same now. So उनके वो जो मार्केटिंग कैंपेन था वहां से उनको बहुत ज्यादा बूस्ट मिल गया, right? And later that like अभी कुछ टाइम पहले से जैसे आप लोग देख ही रहे हैं कि they are coming up with like that code with कुछ मीठा हो जाए, right?
Yep.
तो उसमें क्या किया, बिग बी आ गए हैं, सब बड़े लोग आ गए, बड़े बुजुर्ग को दिखा दिया. तो उसमें उन्होंने कंज्यूमर को अभी वहां पे शिफ्ट कर दिया. What they had done, they totally shifted to from the very kids to like very young age to the
Family.
older people, right?
Yes.
तो अभी क्या है कि we people what we do now, we don't take a मिठाई का डब्बा whenever we go to visit somebody or something, give the chocolates now, right?
Yep.
So that is the effect of kuch meetha ho jaye,
Great,
right?
great, great,
That
great, great.
campaign.
Yes.
राइट तो
So
यहाँ पे सबसे जो बड़ी बात है वो है आपको कंज्यूमर के साथ आपको कैसे कनेक्शन बनानी है. दैट इज द कनेक्शन जो बनानी है, दैट इज मोर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
yes, so जो amazing. So दोस्तों आप कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप कर सकते हो what is the thing here. Like Santosh has absolutely typed correctly. Connecting people, then branding, and then marketing. Like it's basically the marketing is like right communication to right medium and right presence. So brand is the presence actually. And you have shared the amazing example also, because how single like some tweak in the branding representation in terms of as I told you, like even though from their designings, from the chocolate designings, their flyer designings, it can be anything. The presence that is impactful, right, to attract the right people.
Right.
And this is really important. I believe in the market. Not only आपका कितना product बड़ा है, आपका service कितना बढ़िया है, but the branding, right message and वो strategy भी होना बहुत जरूरी है. So Mosmi ji, thank you very much for your valuable insight. Now, when it comes to branding, like I want to like the genuine. I personally I was there. Okay, so you started your business, you might have helped, you are helping so many people. The number one thing I want to ask, like जो हमारे viewers है, they have the less budgets, or some people, some entrepreneurs don't have even very less budget, or how they can make it feel. So I want to ask some tips to you, how you started the branding and that part with the minimum budget when you are starting. एंड हमारे जो व्यूअर्स है, जो हमारे यहाँ पे लाइव है, कुछ रिप्लेस देख रहे हैं, हाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट द ब्रांडिंग विथ मिनिमम बजट. व्हाट शुड बी द प्रायोरिटी, पहले कहाँ पे फोकस करना चाहिए, एंड देन हाउ व्हाट शुड बी द जर्नी ऑफ ब्रांडिंग in terms of the investment, in terms of the brand journey, and how you started. First of all, we'd like to start your story, and then you can share हमारे जो viewers how they can start their journey with the minimum budget. And just to extend that topic, is it an expense or is it an investment in the business? Go.
Right question. Actually, right question. Very valuable question. Actually, people don't understand how to invest, or it's a waste of money, right? Right. So see, for me, I started, when I started, it was not like I was just before marriage, I started my brand. Okay. Then just after that, I got married and all, and Indian families, Indian people, like once you got married, then सब कुछ बंद, right?
Yeah, होता है.
But still I keep doing it from home, from my residence, right? And आज तो खैर आज का तो जमाना ही हो गया है work from home. But at that time, like it was not, I don't have any office or anything. It was like at that time I was work from home, right? I started working from home. Uske baad I started with first of all, what kind of name you are choosing. If you are into personal branding, personal brand, then you what kind of name you choose. Like it should be related to you, related to your product, right? बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे कुछ ऐसे नाम रख देते हैं जो कि प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी नहीं आता, प्रोनाउंस भी नहीं करना आता है, राइट? कुछ ऐसा फंकी सा नाम रख देंगे जो कि लोगों को बोलने में आसानी नहीं होती है, टाइप करने में आसानी नहीं होती है, एंड मेनी टाइम्स इट्स लाइक दे डू रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग्स ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर नेम. So you should be very, very clear, clean, short name. It should be very clean, short name. If your name is easy to pronounce, easy to spell, then it should be go with your name. Like Datta Tule. It's such a small name and a small, like it is very easy to remember.
Absolutely.
So it should be very easy to remember name, first of all. Secondly, before starting anything, like you should ready with the name and then the logo. Logo is also the like very important part in your business, in your branding. So you should go with the logo. You should go with kind of color consistency. You should have some color plate, like you are going to use this kind of color plates only. So this kind of things is really helpful for initial level branding, right? That is very helpful for start with minimum level of starting, right?
Okay, so the most part you told ki boss, the domain selection is really important, right? It has to be easy to remember. It has to be recall value. The banda after 15 seconds, it should be remember. It should be easy to remember, recall, and that in second part, the logo like उसके बाद में logo design करना important है. We should represent the brand, and again that is like so. See in terms of like yeah, please continue. You continue. I will just come back.
Yeah, suppose my name is bit complicated. Like it is complicated in the sense it is not a very common name, and at the same time, like spelling is also something different. So people got confused. I have seen so many webinars. In so many webinars, people don't even write my name properly, don't pronounce my name properly. So it's fine with me, but it is very difficult for me to be a brand of that particular name, because it is very much difficult. People don't, if they just type it wrongly on Google, then Google can't reach me, right?
Yep.
So that is very, very important. If your name is complicated, if you are into personal branding, if your name is complicated, don't go for your name. Try to pick up something related to your niche, which is easy to remember, easy to recall, and yeah, that's it. Like it is name is very important.
Okay, so basically, when we are just starting off, at least choose the right domain and then create the basic logo. And when it comes to the like, I want to ask this question because I was there. Like, see, what we do. I was doing those mistakes whenever like we are selecting logos or some brand color. We try to like model somebody jiska existing hai. So, like what is your thought process or in the branding or whatever you are doing, what is that psychology, so we can how can we bring the uniqueness in our brand name, in the logo and the presentation, instead of just copycat? I mean to say I was also there, but how we start that one? But what are the factors, हम लोग कौन सी वो चीजें हैं that we can keep in mind in terms of selecting style, color, and then the brand representation? So yeah, please share your thoughts on that
Right,
process.
right. See, copying someone is not the problem. Problem is people just pick that particular somebody the Dattatulia's logo. They just simply copy paste and just change the name of Dattatulia by motion immediately, suppose, right? So that is a very big problem. They don't understand what kind of position you are into, right? What kind of how you are presenting yourself. It is like the main thing. Like you are different personality, right? I'm different personality. So how I am presenting myself, how you are presenting yourself, it doesn't match at all, right?
Yeah.
Because every individual having their own skills, their own expertise, right? So they should understand their expertise and then they should present themselves to their prospect,
Okay,
their
so
audience.
if you want to
It
give
is
some
not
tips,
like
like
किसी को
if you want to give some tips for
हाँ किसी
selection,
का
you can give
कॉपी
some tips
करना
there.
देखिए टिप्स तो ऐसा नहीं है, लोगो बनाने के लिए ऐसा कोई टिप्स नहीं है, लेकिन इट्स लोगो शुड बी टेलिंग अ स्टोरी अबाउट योर ब्रांड और समथिंग रिलेटेड टू यू, राइट? इट इज नॉट लाइक कि हाँ टॉमी रॉबिन्स का लोगो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है तो मैं भी ऐसे ही फॉन्ट में लिख देती हूँ. See, you and me, on lot many people are there from Siddharth Group. So I frequently do work with those kind of entrepreneurs. So क्या होता है, means people simply don't think, people simply send me Siddharth logo.
Yeah.
I have seen thousands of times Siddharth logo just because people just keep sending me, like, oh, I need a logo just like Siddharth. Okay.
Okay.
Siddharth logo is very good. Siddharth logo is really good, but he already established, right?
Yep.
You are newcomer. You can't just copy and just on the like. You can't just change the name and you can't be Siddharth
Yes,
Rajsekar
yes, yes,
in
yes.
day one, right?
So here is a very important point. Like Mosmi ji, you are correctly fine. But I'm telling you one thing here. Suppose जो हमारे जो दोस्त है, हमारे जो fellow entrepreneurs है, when we are starting, like they don't have clue, right? How many of you are guys, the live members, we don't have clue कि यार वो जो sense होता है ना कि क्या करे, कैसा color होना चाहिए, कैसा domain होना चाहिए. How many of you agree with this point? If you are watching this, you can type in comment box me. कि हमें वो understanding, it's a like, it's not a mistake basically, it's a lack of awareness because उतना expertise नहीं होता है, like we are not aware, so we somebody had done, let's do that one. Oh, so I want to ask this question to you as a branding diva. What are those traits of the expert? Suppose I want to become a branding coach. Now you are a woman entrepreneur and do all these things. So what are those traits or some traits which like जो बोलते हैं ना कि habits or traits which represent the thinking of branding in the terms of marketing, or what are the traits you can share, like how we should think about when it comes to selecting the brand or bringing the uniqueness or bringing the magnificent, bringing that uniqueness. So what are those traits we'd like to hear from you?
Right. First of all, it is always better to follow your mind, like follow your own likes, dislikes and all this stuff. आज के डेट पे क्या होता है, किसी को हम लोगो बना के भेजते हैं, ऑप्शन 1, ऑप्शन 2, ऑप्शन 3, ऑप्शन 4, राइट? What he does immediately he posted on social media, select 1, 2, 3, 4, right? जहाँ पे वोट ऑडियंस पोल होता है और जहाँ पे जितना वोट आपको मिल गया वही लोगो फाइनल हो गया. He doesn't listen to him, right? He don't even understand, we don't even try to understand what is the psychology behind this logo, what is the concept behind this logo. Every logo has their own psychology, own story, right?
Yeah.
So they should know their own story basically, and then if they want, they can take help people like designers, like people like us, right, who can understand their vision, understand their mission, and then come up with something. You already experienced it, so you know like how we work, right? You come up with come to me just to say your vision, like I'm doing this kind of things and I want something like this, right? This kind of things I'm looking for. So it is like somebody, it is, if you are not like creative enough, creative in the sense like for designing and all, I'm saying about the designing part, right? So if you are not like creative enough to think something different, then go and take some help from experts.
Yep.
That's the easiest way. Just don't simply go to Canva and copy paste the same logo. What people are already, thousands of people already use that logo.
Yes.
So you need to come up with your own uniqueness. That is the, like, my point is, my opinion, it should be unique and it should be you. It not should be somebody else who is already success on the market. Okay, that's fine. They were also on the same pitch today where you are today, right?
Yep.
So you don't compare with them. You just get some influence. It's something better, right? But it is not like just copy and paste things. So
in nutshell, listen to your inner voice, what represent you, what you like, instead of, yeah, definitely the people vote is very important, but this is also very important. Do you feel like connected with that logo, color, design? Do you feel that amazing? And right, like that is what you are talking about, right? So basically, you should listen to yourself. Are you feeling the good? And do you think that it's my true representation? It's presenting me. Am I right?
Yes, yes, yes. And the other part is like how you are presenting yourself by take help. Don't just like you are very good at your skills, right? But you don't have that skill of designing. Then don't try and don't like spoil your brand. Just go and take some help so that you can get some good uh, designs, and it is going to fulfill your like needs,
Yes,
right? Requirement.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. It's guys, दोस्तों ये चीज बहुत important है. Just don't try to do yourself. Like Canva, I am personally using regular work is fine, but when it comes to the branding, when it comes to your brand presentation, when it comes to the world class, always better to take advice from experts, and that's why I'm telling you. Also, dosto, I want to share one like the one small. This is connected to this one small चुटकुला बताऊंगा यहाँ पे मैं. I do the webinar with the 1,500. Like I do the webinar with so many people, and some people ping me one to one. Ki, Data, you should first you should wear proper clothes. Like you should wear the tie, you should wear the coat. Like I realize that when people are still not coming out of that, the psychology and that thing. I'm using t-shirt because I feel flexible. This is my representation. I don't do like SNI Bedna. I don't like that one. It's a part of again the branding. Like what you love, what you feel comfortable, you can wear, right? Am I right? Mostly is a part of that, right?
Yeah, it should be true you, not somebody. Yeah, you can take some reference or something, but it should be true you. आपको अगर ब्लेजर आपको पसंद नहीं है, आपको पहना के बिठा दिया तो यू लुक लाइक टॉय, राइट?
Yes.
डॉल. कि मतलब हाँ ठीक है ब्लेजर तो पहन लिया लेकिन ही इज नॉट कंफर्टेबल एट ऑल, तो क्या फायदा उसका?
No, right? No. Guys, the all big brands, in the digital like Russell, then there are so many. Like one of my follow the Russell brands, even Tony Robbins, and see, guys, they are the $1 billion owners. They wear what they love, right? It's not about like suit boot wala jamana thoda change ho chuka hai abhi. We are in the like digital space. Your voice is important. That I strongly believe. So what you wear and it doesn't matter. It matters, but you should wear or you should do that what makes you comfortable, what makes you look good to yourself, inner image, not for most of the people ki boss kya hota hai. So that is what you can do. But yeah, that's not a topic here. Now I hope guys all of you are getting values. You can type in comment box super value. If you have made the note so far, you can give the thumbs up on the YouTube channel. If you're watching on the Facebook, please share with your loved ones and make a lot of notes there. I will be going to a very important point here because I believe you told that ki marketing mein to bahut hi important hai. But now when it comes to the sales funnel or sales PPTs or sales presentation, or mainly let's talk about the landing pages or the funnels. I believe what do you think that one in the branding or designing in terms of color, in terms of in terms of designing part, how this branding plays important role in terms of funnels or in terms of selling process? What are those factors important? I would like to hear from you that one, and I will that again I will come back to you on that point. So go for that one. In sales funnel, your branding, how that from color se leke, from font se leke, from placement se leke, kitna impact karta hai in terms of conversion, sales conversion. Yeah, please go for that one.
Right. तो मैं आपको इसमें बताना चाहूंगी, as you are doing Facebook campaigns and all, right? So if you are not consistent with your design, with your branding, right? Then what happened? Like people today, somebody seen your ad, okay? And on that ad, you are using something like very flashy kind of things or flashy color combinations and all this stuff. And people just see once and then just they went out, right? They go away and then like on second time he or she seen the same ad, right?
Yes.
Then that should be a recall factor, which is like, like people should recall you by just a single look that, okay, this is the Kazakh. Okay, I have seen this guy somewhere. Oh, that day I have seen him on Facebook Live, or oh, I have seen him on that particular ad, right? That should be a recall factor so that people can easily recall you and they can connect with you. They can connect with you for the first ad, second ad, third ad, and then they when they visit your website, or maybe they are visiting on your landing page or funnel, they should feel the connection between all the things, right? आपका जो एड था, सारे एड में आप रेड 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 में दिख रहे थे। जैसे ही फनल में घुसा तो फनल दिखा कि येलो है, लोगो कुछ अलग है, या फिर जो दत्तात्रेय का वहां पे फेस दिखा था, यहाँ पे सेम फेस है ही नहीं, somebody is different, right? It can't be, he can't be related to that, right? तो जैसे ही आपका फनल हो या फिर एड्स हो, जो भी हो, दैट शुड बी सम कंसिस्टेंसी। ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि सेम एड को आपको रिपीट करना है, या सेम काइंड ऑफ आप उसको सेम प्रेजेंटेशन बनाए हैं, या फिर आप सेम कलर पे ही बिल्कुल उसको रखें, वो नहीं है। लेकिन ये है कि आपको कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करना है सब में। सपोज somebody is using yellow and black, right? So that is his brand color, yellow and black. So yellow and black should be there on your funnel, on your post, everywhere. Like it should be somehow, it should be connected. कोई भी ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि कहाँ आ गया, अरे हमने तो वहां पे वो देखा था और यहाँ पे आके क्या बेच रहे हैं। तो there should be a connection between all the all your branding part.
Great. And
तभी वो trust factor जो है, trust factor आपका build हो पाएगा।
Yes, definitely.
You need to build a trust factor, right? तो
Yep.
आपका जो पहला ऐड है और जो दूसरा ऐड है या तीसरा ऐड है, सब में वो कंसिस्टेंसी दिखेगा, तभी वो एक तो रिकॉल कर पाएगा, और दूसरा ये है कि वो ट्रस्ट फैक्ट बिल्ड होगा कि अच्छा मैंने उनको वहां पे देखा था, कि कहीं उनका लाइव देखा था, कहीं कुछ देखा था, तो विच शुड बी लाइक consistent.
So basically it's like at subconscious mind level, that is the recall value, right? Suppose whenever it comes to the Apple, I know that one, what is the color. When it comes to the Coca-Cola, in my subconscious level, that is a color is the fix, right? Pepsi. So guys, if you love this one, you are on the Zoom here. On the Zoom, there is a button called reaction. You can share your love like this one, like you can share the love there. Let us know, like there is a button on the Zoom. If you're watching on the Zoom, or if you're on the Facebook Live, you can share your reactions there. If you think this is the like amazing, you can share your whatever, like there are reactions, like you can share reaction. Let us know in the Zoom. In the meeting, there is a button called reaction. You can just click on that one. There will be the दोस्तों reaction sign है वहां पे, उसके ऊपर click कर सकते हो, and we can see your reaction on the screen here. But that is important part, and I realize दोस्तों, how many people like, I want to share one important thing here, Mosmi ji. Even though जो call to action button होता है on the landing page on the website, and I see like the color, top color, just like green or red or yellow. These are the most of the time, these three colors I see, and I personally use that one. So what is your view? Does this color matter for the call to action? Does this color changes increase or lower the conversion?
See, it's not about using a button which is like red or blue or green, right? It is all about, like, as I told you repeatedly, I'm telling you, like the consistency must be there. It should be, the button should be very much clear, and that should be very much like clear and bold, and that should be very much focused. That should grab the focus basically. So it's not about red, yellow, or blue. It's any color. It could be any color, but it should be like something in your page, in your funnel. It should be something hatke. Something is different than the entire funnel. If you are going through all the, like all over the yellow, suppose you are using yellow everywhere, then that should be something different color in different color. That could be gradient also. That
Yeah,
could be your red also. But that should be something different, something unique, which is which can grab your eyes.
great, great. So basically,
I think it would be helpful.
yeah, definitely. Because I believe it is, I personally, I have tested, I have done split testing, and I do consistently, even though minor color changes on the button, if that is not consistent or that is not that much attention grabbing, your conversion opt-in rate goes down, right? So mostly
Absolutely.
what I am personally as a conversion expert also, what I'm using, like I'm personally, okay, I just will share my, because the green, I have realized green, red, yellow, blue, these are some top colors. Most of the time, these are the converting really well. And even though, as I told you, it has to be attention grabbing, doesn't matter which color is there, but that I recommend. And the second part, let me move forward, Moshmiji, the before I move forward, I think now the world is changing and the business karne ka tarika bhi change ho raha hai. COVID-19 is there, people have a lot of time, we are not going to the malls, we are not going to the movies, we're not going to the grounds. I know that one, this is the right time to learn, this is a show, right? I believe hamare viewers, this is a living, and this is the valuable session. So based on your experience after working with so many entrepreneurs and the clients, why most of the people fail in the online business, and how we can avoid, or how some tips to win in the online, why most of the people start business last year one night store and they're out of the business, why that happens, why people fail, and how to avoid that one. Some first, let's understand some, spread some light on the challenges, the reality truth, and based on your experience, and how we can win. Would like to hear that one.
Right. The first thing is consistency. The like your patience. You have to be patient. Have some patience on online business, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like people want ki okay, Datta ji cross 1 CR club, so I can start this business, and by tomorrow or day after or maybe in a month I can also reach that goal, right? Your goal should be not depending on somebody else position or
Yep.
something, right? It should be your own goal according to your how many effort you are putting on this business. And your online business is something you have to be very active on the business. You have to be very loyal to your audience. You have to be very much consistent on your tribes, on your groups, everything, right? So it is not like you just start your business and you are expecting something, some unrelevant, unrealistic goal. It should be realistic goal. Today you are earning 1 lakh, you can target 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, but people are thinking of having like getting 50 lakhs in a month or 2 months, right? So this, which is not possible. So जब देखा कि दत्ता जी is getting into 1 CR club, but I am not getting. I am also working since last 2 months, 3 months, but I am not getting that kind of results. Then they just quit it.
Okay, so
Am I
basically,
right or wrong,
yeah,
Dr. Ji?
absolutely. Like I'm not complaining this one, but I have realized personally, some people are not all
Yes,
of you. मेरे मुझे पता है, we
yes,
have the high performance market. Some people are looking for overnight success.
yes,
Okay, and no, don't
absolutely.
have patience. Okay, there will be always up and downs in the business and life. So, if from based on your experience, I want to go to the next question here.
Hmm.
Whatever you are doing, whatever success you have right now, I know that also you had some award, you got some award also, like woman entrepreneur long back recently, right, in Delhi.
Yes,
What
yes.
if you stop getting result, you stop getting results after strong success, you stop getting results, what you will do?
After getting results.
Yeah, suppose initially you start with the blast and great things, you hit the record, you आपने सब record तोड़ दिए, whatever maybe is there, like, but after that one you stop getting results, no client, no sales, no business. What, how this you, how will you bounce back, how will you handle in this situation?
Right. This could be a very much difficult situation for any of any of the entrepreneurs. But the thing is that if you do consistent work, if you work properly, if you do regular, if you are on a mood of, like on a vision of helping others, then that first of all that they can't come. There could be like ups and downs, but they don't come that it is not at all like I was not getting at all uh, success, or like at all business. You are not getting at all business, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, and one more thing, people in these days, what they feel like today, they are starting a business and they feel like I'm going to spend lakhs of rupees on Facebook and immediately or overnight I will get the success, right?
Okay, Mike, must be sorry to interrupt here a little bit about. Let me rephrase the question. Now, this was the question for you. Like you are the Mosmi Devi. We know a lot of your people. We are doing the branding. You are getting clients and other things. I'm asking you. Suppose you are now the brand. Like you are doing so many things. We approach you. We get your advice on that part. Just imagine, because I want that process. Suppose you are like you are famous now today, for example, but tomorrow you stop getting any results. What you will do if you want to bounce back? What action you will take to bounce back as an entrepreneur?
Okay. Right. Then the positive, you need to be on a very positive mindset, and you should see why I'm not getting clients. You need to research on your failure. Why I'm not getting clients now? Today, like last year, I had done so many business, like once a year business, once a year club. I was into once a year club, but today I'm not getting any business. Why? What is the reason behind it? You just sit, think, and research the failure, like your journey. Why is the last 2 months or 3 months? What I'm doing, right? What I'm doing, what I'm not getting clients, what I had done before. You have to do your research. Like you have to see your journey, like why I was there, where I reached the once a year club, and now I'm not getting any clients. Why? Since last 3 months, what all the things I'm doing, right? Why I'm getting down?
The root cause. You mean to
Getting
say
down and
root
down.
cause? You root cause देखना चाहिए.
Root cause, or you can see like अब ट्रेस करना पड़ेगा आपको कि कहाँ पे हमारा जो we are not getting, why I'm not getting clients in these days. You need to find it out. Like हो सकता है कि you are like mentally disturbed. Maybe your personal life is disturbed. Maybe you are busy with something else. Maybe you are busy with your brother's wedding, right?
Yes.
So that's why you are not able to give time on your business. That's why you are not getting clients in these days, right? So you need to find out the root cause of the business of failure, and then you can, easily you can see the like kind of action you have to take, and you take the action, and you can again you can boost up your business.
Absolutely, absolutely. So basically, we need to dig into the root cause. कि boss क्या reason है क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Even though like this is a show today, दोस्तों, it's all about the personal branding. It's all about the marketing, branding, and other things. But I'm telling you, दोस्तों, बताना चाहूँगा based on my experience and the whatever the Mosmi is sharing here. You have the great brand. You have done the great marketing, or not? I'm to say great branding, great website, great product, great designing. But the some two things are there top of this one I want to tell you here. हम consistently market नहीं करेंगे उसको. Those brand assets, like you have the funnel built, amazing funnel that converts, but हम लोग उसको सही तरीके से market नहीं करेंगे, हम लोग traffic drive नहीं करेंगे. So there are chances कि हमें marketing भी काम करना होता है beside after branding. It's a parallelly work actually. You have done everything, तो marketing भी consistently काम करना चाहिए. Plus the conversion is also really important. That's one thing. But before I move forward, एक question था यहाँ पे Amir Amula, how design thinking process course contribute to corporate branding? digital marketing, advertising. So same, abhi ye, like a little bit out of the topic, how design thinking process course. I'm not getting that question actually, design thing, but let me ask you a question, next question. In terms of like, in terms of comes to the brand marketing or the branding, what's your take on the followers versus leads and sales? जो branding करना चाहिए, that to get a lot of followers, like, comment, or leads and sales? How do you differentiate? What is important? What is your view?
100% lead.
100%. Why? Because some people are there, they are just looking for getting more like, more engagement, more comments. So why that is
Right.
important? So
Right. See, if you have seen lots of people on Instagram or maybe Facebook, they are having thousands of followers, right? But when they post single, like one post, they posted one post day before yesterday, but their like is only 3 or 4 or 5, right? That means your audience is not connecting with you. Where there is no use of posting or there is no use of having 15,000 followers when they are not even connecting with your content. Unless they are connecting with your content, there is no use of having lots of followers or buyers, friends, right? You can see most of the people, like they have thousands of clients, followers. They even, people in these days keep buying followers, keep buying subscribers on YouTube. But you can easily see the difference between a true person or true YouTube channel or a fake YouTube channel. If you can see, it is very, very much easy. Like anybody can realize that it is not a true channel or something. Like they are not true followers or they are not true this thing channel.
yes.
So the thing is that you no need to focus on your followers. You need to focus on your content. If your content is good, if you are connecting with people, more and more people, then people are easily going to follow you, right? People
Yep.
are obviously they are going to be, if you feel like connection between the posts, then they are going to definitely connect with you. They are going to definitely follow you, start following you, right?
Yep.
1 day, 2 day, they can see your post and they started following you. It is like very obvious, and then only they will connect with you. Then only they, on the next level only, they are going to buy from you.
Definitely.
It is not, you can't force them to buy, or there is a difference between roadside, roadside seller and a sober marketer, right? There should be there is a difference. Like ये ले लो कोई नहीं लेने वाला है.
Yes, amazing.
Until and unless you will show them the feature or maybe the point, like what is the feature or what is the advantage, you
Hooks.
won't be able to sell that product. Hook, yeah. So that hook is very important. You need to understand your product. Then you need to just create that hook offer, hook offer story in between that. Like,
Yeah.
so then only you will get a.
Definitely.
So in this, I really like to share one story here.
Yeah.
Like the Apple ads, right?
Yep.
Apple iPod, when they launched the iPod, right?
Yep.
Then they was like 4,000 songs in your pocket.
Yep.
Right?
It was amazing.
It was 4,000 songs in your pocket, because 400 or 4,000. I'm not
4,000.
really
4,000.
4,000. Yeah, 4,000 songs on your pocket. Now with your like the new iWatch, they are coming up with 47 million songs on your hand or something like that, right?
Yeah.
So they are not tell you to buy this product. They are not saying you to buy this product. They are saying the facility, feature, what kind of features they are having, right? When people are using CD player. People are using like, putting pen drive and then listen to music, right? At that time, they are saying that you can easily carry 4,000 songs on your pocket with the
Amazing.
iPod,
Amazing.
right?
Amazing.
So that's how people don't, they don't say that buy my product. If you feel like, wow, what is this? How can I take 4,000 songs on my pocket, right? Then easily they will go and see the product. So that's the kind of kind of marketing strategies big brands using.
Yeah, so
So
definitely.
you also have to do that same.
Yep. So the question was like followers versus leads and sale. Dosto, whenever we are doing branding, Facebook advertising, online marketing, funneling, there has to be strategy. There has to be hook, story, offer to generate some energy, get some actions. It might be register for webinar, book free appointment, share, comment. It has to be mixed. Actually, that is really important part. Beside your color, branding, designing, ये strategy भी बहुत important है. The marketing genius has to be inside you. So hooks होने चाहिए so that people can click. The basically it's all about ultimately coming to the conclusion. People still take some action. End of that one. Some kind of action. तब जाके वो useful होता है. Thank you very much for that insight. Mosmi ji, if I ask you 3 things which you want to recommend in 2021, which people can implement in terms of designing or building their brands, what are the to survive or dominate? What are the 3 things in the short bullet point in the 1 minute? What would you like to share?
As I told, like consistency is the main thing, right? Then the branding should be there, and the focus should not be your sell. So, yeah, obviously we all are there in market, and we all need to sell our product, right?
Yep.
But that should not be your main goal. Your should be first of all, you should become a value provider so that people can see you, people can listen to you, people can feel like, okay, this guy is providing such a valuable thing, such a valuable product. They're like stories they're telling, right? So
Yes.
people will come automatically to you, right? You no need to just go and shout on the market like buy it now, buy it from me. No, that's a very wrong approach. So if you need to get more leads, then you need to connect with your customer first. You need to connect with your audience first. You need to attract those clients. Your client is there always there in the market, but you need to attract those right people, right customers, right? So I hope it's helpful.
Yes, definitely. It's a really grateful insight. I hope हमारे viewers उनके insight मिला है. So mostly we are like almost reaching to the end of this session, actually end of this show. I believe that when you have shared really insightful updates, and I hope कि जो हमारे viewers है, they have made a lot of notes. And दोस्तों आपने notes बनाए होंगे. I believe that one you can share below this video or you can share in the chat. We will personally review and reply back to you. Now दोस्तों I want to ask you Mosmi ji, how जो हमारे audience है, they are watching you, how they can connect with you, like your website, your social media handle, how they can approach you if they need some help in your help, your support, your guidance, how we can connect?
Yeah, like it would be great if I can help any of them. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm
definitely.
really hoping to help them. I'm really hopeful to helping all of them. But still, if somebody can want to connect with me, if you already posted on social media, so my handles are already there. They can connect with me on that part, and from there, and then like on YouTube, you can give the link of my website and all.
Definitely. So your website is Graphitune, right? So what I will be doing, dosto, if you're watching video anywhere, you can search out with the Mosmi Devi or the graphitune.com, right? Graphitune.com. Or I will be sharing link below this video. You can check in the description later on. You can connect and check, explore, take some help there. Okay. So definitely we'll be connecting. Also, you can check on the Facebook and other this. Beside this one, dosto, I want to tell you here, if you are looking for become a high performance marketer, if you are looking for the domination in 2021 in the marketing, you are hungry for the quality lead sales and domination, I would like to invite for one of my upcoming, if you are not my student, I would like check the links below to one of my upcoming workshop, upcoming masterclass, where I teach basically how we can get quality lead, quality customer, and convert them into paying customer and take your business to the next level. All right, so dosto, that's how you can check the more details. Before I wind up for the day, if you really love this video, this session, as Datta show, I bring amazing expert like Mosmi and other industry leaders. This is the series. If you want to get more viewers from this session, this show, aapne kya sikha? I would like to share your constructive feedback below this video, or share this video with your loved ones. This is the free of cost, right? On the YouTube social media, you can share with your friends, with the brand partner, and I will be giving you some goodies. If you are watching on the YouTube, you can share in the comment below. Jiska badhiya comment hai, constructive comment hai, I will be giving you amazing goodies. That is something like I like basically one of my program, one of my upcoming workshop, or one of my video marketing course, absolutely free. I will personally go through that one. I love that when genuinely किसी ने effort लेके आपका learning share किया है, you can do that because it will be helpful to other people also. Okay, you can do that one. Mosmi ji, nice to have you here. Thank you very much for that one. All of member, in this challenging time, never stop learning, never stop taking action, because I will be bringing you amazing expert from the India and even from the world in upcoming months or upcoming years. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for being on this show. Let's meet live in the upcoming call. Until then, signing off for today. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.